What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? It's SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. I know we have to stay in the house, but I'm still keeping my energy up. I still have to go to work, but I was off today, so I made several videos for you guys. This video is for the kids. I love you guys. I love the kids. Keep the kids busy. They need something to do. They're bored. They're stuck at home. Teach them how to plant something. Okay? I hope you're having a blessed, growing, great, and prosperous day, you guys. Thank you for being here so much. Click like and subscribe if you've not done so already. Praying for everybody affected by Corona, the people that are suffering, the people that have passed on. It's starting to hit very close to home. A lot of ends on my end, you guys. I love you. Pray for me. I work down at the hospital, and I'm trying to be safe. And I'm encouraging everyone to be safe, you guys. Stay home if you can. I love you. Thanks for being here. Anyway, we're going to jump right into this video, episode 2 for the kids. You know we did the cucumbers last night. Like I said, I'm doing a series for the children. So here we go. We're starting on April the 5th. Get these kids out the house. They want something to do. You don't have to take them amongst a lot of people. Work with them at home. Teach them how to grow some stuff, and they'll never forget it. I promise you. My grandmother and grandfather taught me. I've never forgotten it. So teach your kids how to grow stuff. Okay, this is an old tomato, kids. Okay. If you haven't already, click like and subscribe. Don't forget to do that first. I'll wait. Okay. So click like and subscribe. Click the thumbs up, you guys. Click the thumbs down. Just don't click the 2 middle fingers, okay? So get you an old tomato. You see it? Kids, you know you love the slime. The slime. So what we're going to do, take this old tomato. Oops. You see how it just popped right on out? Look at all those seedlings, you guys. Just oozing into the slime, you guys. Yes. So we're going to plant that right now, okay? This is a short, quick video. We're going to take some of our soil, put it in our container. Use whatever you have, kids. Use a cup. Use anything that you have that your parents said that you can use, okay? I'm just going to pop these in here. Pop some soil in here. Just like this. Some dirt, as we used to call it. But now everybody say soil, same thing. Let's pop it on in there like that, y'all. Get these kids out the house. Get them busy. Because your SkinnyBoyRandy's here for you, okay? So, just stuff your containers. Stuff them down one time. Like that. Fill the corners. Stuff them. Kids, tell mom and dad give you that old tomato, and you get those seeds out of there, okay? Get the seeds out. Now we're going to put them right in here. Just take them and let them drip right on in there. You don't have to do anything fancy. We don't do pretty gardening. We do productive gardening. Okay? And I just rolled that little juice, right? All them little seeds. Just roll them on in there. That's all, y'all. See? And they kind of clump together. Just move them around. What will make it will make it. Some will, some won't. Some do, some don't. Hey! And then just cover it with some soil, dirt. Yep, just a little bit. Get a little tap. And you just planted some cherry tomatoes, kids. Okay? I love you guys. Thanks for being here. Remember, keep watching. I'm going to do a series for you guys. I'm going to try to come up with different things for you to do while you're sitting at home and there's nothing to do. Pick up a book. Read up on gardening. If you have online access, go online and, research gardening. It's very interesting. Once you start, you will not stop. I promise you. It's your SkinnyBoyRandy. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, you guys. Be safe. Grow your food and eat it.